If you're looking to get way more tasks done in half the time it usually takes you, then this is the video for you. If you're someone who feels like that you're not achieving what you should be every day and that you're not being productive, then I'm about to share with you a simple method that you can use on a daily basis that will help you complete each task that you set, so you never run out of time to do the things that are actually important to you. In order to do the stuff that you want to do in one day, you need to be blocking out your time and not just wasting it doing unnecessary tasks. What do I mean by this? Well, there's a rule that states if you set a certain amount of tasks that you want to do and you think that that's going to take you a whole week to complete, then you're actually subconsciously going to give yourself 1 week to complete that, and it will take you the whole week to complete them. When in reality, if you had have been focused and in a flow state, you could have completed them in 1 day. So to fix this, I want you to go back to breaking down a bigger goal into smaller ones. Next to each task that you write down that you want to complete each day, I want you to write down approximately how long you think it's going to take you to do each task. For example, if you have a little bit of homework to do, it might take you 30 minutes. And if you have a sporting match to go play, that might take you a couple hours. Whatever that is, write down exactly how much time it usually takes you to do those tasks. Now, you're going to realize that if you add everything up and amount it to a specific amount of time, then you're going to realize that it's not going to take you a whole week to complete them if you focus directly on them. If you can focus on them, then you're going to get them done in like just a day. From here, every time you do a task, I want you to set a timer for that amount of time. Like I said before, if you have homework to do, it might take you 30 minutes. Set that 30-minute timer. Another example, if you need to sweep the floors, it might take you 20 minutes. So set a 20-minute timer. And when that timer goes off, I want you to be pretty much done, if not pretty much close to being done. And this is how you're not going to waste any time at all when you're completing and going through your to-do list. So further ways to be productive would: 1, cut out your distractions. This is going to allow you to find your flow state faster by cutting out all the distractions around you. It's going to produce a lot higher quality of work and a lot more efficiently, like you're going to get it done in less time. Things like putting your phone in another room or setting a screen time limit is a perfect example of cutting out your distractions. Number 2, order your to-do list from most important to least important. That way you're going to know where all your priorities are, and if you don't have time to complete those lower tasks, it won't really matter compared to if you had those harder tasks at the bottom that you really needed to get done. Completing those harder tasks first is also going to give you a bigger sense of pride and achievement because they're harder tasks. They're naturally going to give you more dopamine because you've achieved them. Number 3, start to build momentum. If you're having a bad day, I want you to just start off small. Just make your bed, do something simple that is easy to complete that anyone can do, even on a bad day. This is going to help build that little bit of sense of achievement and gradually build yourself up until you can complete those harder tasks. And then this is going to help build the momentum for the rest of the day. So if you don't feel like doing anything, I want you to really focus on starting small, building that momentum, and gradually getting to those harder, bigger tasks. If you're looking for a way to get ahead in 2023, go down below, click the first link in my description so I can send you over my free mini course that I developed myself that is going to help you build discipline, create healthy habits, and just generally build the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you or anything you like in there, go down, hit the first link, and I can send it over to you completely for free. While you're down there, you also may as well hit the subscribe button because I'm completely helping you for free in 2023 level yourself up. It's a win-win. If that sounds good to you, go down, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.